Today I'm going to be showing you how to share your Google review link to request reviews for your business. Let's get to the video. Okay, so what you guys need to do is you guys need to head to Google, and what you're going to do is you're going to type in business Google. I'm going to go ahead and type that in. And then from there, you're going to see this link here. You're going to click the first link. I'm going to go ahead and click it. And then it's going to take me to this page, business profile. I'm going to click sign in. Go ahead and click that. And then as you can see, bam, I'm signing. And in the Google search, that's my business name right there. And on the side, you can see my business name again. And now all you got to do from here is click read reviews. And then from here, I'm going to go on the top, get more reviews. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And bam, there you go, a review link right there. I'm going to go ahead and click this just to obtain it. And then I'm going to just copy it in a random spot to show you guys I just copied it. And let me just put it there. As you can see, there it is, the link. And then, I have an option to send it an email, WhatsApp, or Facebook. I'm going to click email. And okay, I'm in my Gmail right now. I'm going to compose an email. Let's say I want to send it to one of my friends or family or whoever. I'm going to paste it in there. I could type a random email inside of here. Leave a subject. And then I could click send. Now, bam, there you have it. Whoever gets this link can leave me a review on my business profile. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscriber button, and I'll see you guys in